Good morning. It's Jeff Kaplan here. Good morning, AI Trading Nation. It's January 23rd, 2024. I'm going to set things up a little bit early. I have to leave for a doctor's appointment today. It's a nice thing about this business. You don't have to be here. So, simply what I'm going to do this morning is I'm going up to my strategies. I'm going to do one trade. Profit targets are set. Start time 9:30. 10 contracts. I simply click enable, apply, OK. Nice $1,200 profit pops up from my overnight trading session on the NASDAQ. Set up 4 trades, $300 per trade. All 4 hit while I was sleeping.
If you want to fast forward approximately 6 minutes 45 seconds into this video, the action starts. The AI trading program is set to activate at 9:30, positioned just to the right of the trading bars. Each bar displayed on the screen represents the high and low of the S&P 500 within a 5-minute period. At the end of each 5 minutes, a new bar appears, and the AI trading program decides whether to enter a trade or await the next 5-minute bar. In today's trading session, at the 9:40 bar, we executed a purchase of 10 S&P 500 futures contracts at a price of $4,881.50. Beneath the bar on the right-hand side, you can find our profit target for selling and our stop-loss level, which would prompt an exit from the trade at a loss. Notably, we experienced a $500 profit within approximately 1 minute. One of the appealing aspects of this business is its efficiency. I conclude my trading activities by 10 o'clock and have earned $1,700 today. If you're interested in venturing into AI trading and obtaining licensing information, please reach out to me, and we can assist you in starting your own business. We provide unlimited technical support, platform training and installation of the AI technology through NinjaTrader.